Hey folks, we're back with more Revit training, and this is our recreational center. This is going to be a real project. So I've been playing around with walls here, but apparently what's going to happen here, this basketball court dominates everything. So, and then another issue is egress. That other one we showed didn't really show a lot of access to the upper level. So what I'm thinking I'm going to do here is this is going to be a training area. You're going to have an access from the training area to the basketball court. This is going to be a regulation size court. They can do many things here. They can volleyball, whatever. But I'm thinking, man, this court can whatever. Anyway. So here, what I'm going to try to do, I need egress from the second level to the first level. So I think I'm going to do a stair in here, some kind of an access out. Let me undo that. So I got to get a stair up here, and then this, I want to have this is going to be a women's shower and a men's shower, locker room and shower. And then this is going to be the training room here. So that's the plan for this. And then over here, I already placed the bathroom. We want a centralized bathroom here because I just think that works better. Get all the plumbing in order, although we will have a lot of plumbing out here in the shower area. But I like to have this same bath on both levels, real simple. And then this, I think it's going to be a lounge. I think they wanted a lounge here. So this will be the first level. So I'm going to clean this up and get this organized. And then the second level we'll look at once we get this done and laid out. So I'm going to get the stair in here and the shower and the training. It's pretty simple. And then you're going to have here access to the to the gym. You can just do a simple door there, or I don't know, maybe you don't even need this here. Just design it, lay it out, see what you think, and come up with. Now the original plan we had, we're going to try to make it as close to it as we can get, but I don't think we can because of the fact the egress. Like I said, we're going to have to do a stair right in here. I'm going to go from, say, here. Oh, we got to work that out. Let me cancel that out. I think maybe I might even want to go this way. I'm just not sure, but the original plan, we didn't show stairs. We just showed a stair here and an elevator. But the thing is, they want stairs. Actually, got to have stairs here as well. So anyway, I just wanted to show you and give you a quick update on our building. And then also, you want to go and look at our north elevation here for the heights. Our level 2 is going to be at 13.4 and 26.8. And by the time I get back to the next video, hopefully I'll have this floor plan done. No, that one. This one. This is the alternative plan I had here. I was going to do that here, but I didn't have enough space for the training room. I want the training room nice and big, so all the equipment on and flows, and then big shower rooms and everything. But this is the one I'm going to go with for now. But anyway, guys, I just want to bring you up to date on our recreational center project. Like I said, this is a real project, and it changed over the years. Egress is a big thing. Handicapped bathrooms now. You got to have that, and that, a lot of space. So I thought, well, hell, heck, decentralize this and everybody can get to it, and it's easy to access for even the people over here, but they'll have a little small bathroom as well. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe, and the next video I'll have this laid out and we'll move on and complete the recreational center. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.